In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quick snip on Windows 10. Taking screenshots is a simple but very useful feature that helps you capture and share information from your screen. One of the easiest methods is using the print screen key on your keyboard. This key is usually labeled PRTSCN. When you press it, your entire screen is captured and copied to the clipboard. You can then paste the screenshot into an application like Microsoft Paint by pressing Ctrl+V and save the image from there. If you want more control over what part of the screen you capture, you can use the built-in Snipping Tool in Windows 10. To open it, click the Start menu and type Snipping Tool in the search bar, then select the app from the results. Once the Snipping Tool opens, click New to start a capture. Your screen will fade slightly, allowing you to select the area you want to capture. You can drag your mouse to highlight the exact section of the screen you want to capture. The Snipping Tool also provides several capture options, including freeform snip, rectangular snip, window snip, and full screen snip, giving you flexibility depending on what you need to capture. After you capture the screenshot, it will appear inside the Snipping Tool window. From there, you can save it to your computer, copy it to the clipboard, or annotate it using the built-in pen and highlighter tools. And that's how you quickly capture screenshots on Windows 10. Whether you use the print screen key or the Snipping Tool, both methods make it easy to capture and share what's on your screen.